Hi. So for a few days I haven't uploaded a video, but I've been coding every single day and I've been studying every single day since the day of my birthday on the 1st of May, and today is the 18th of June. So that makes roughly about 49 days in a row studying, which is not bad. I guess I've built a habit of studying every day. Um, keep on studying JavaScript. I found this book called a Smarter Way to Learn JavaScript, which I found and I'm following. It's it really matches quite well with Pomodoro technique. Chapters are like 25 minutes to read and to go through exercises, and it's really cool because you got the simple lesson, and then you've got like 20 exercises on that lesson. The 10 first exercises always are really simple to try and grasp what the lesson was about, and the second round of 10 exercises, it's not that they are more difficult, they're time sensitive though, which makes it a bit more stressful, which is good. And all chapters are like that. It's not 90 chapters per book. JavaScript is 90 chapters, and then there's another book called A Smarter Way to Learn HTML and CSS, which I'm also reading to refresh all the concepts that I learned. And I get from 4 to 6 lessons every day, so I hope to finish the book about JavaScript in like 20 days or so, and I'll do my best to do same with CSS and HTML. When I finish them, I'll go back to the Odin project, because I was learning through LinkedIn and through the Odin project, but you need to find what works for you. And I like to just jump on the water like I did with the LinkedIn and CS and the Odin project. But then once you've taken a taste of everything, I find it cool to go back to the root, to the beginning, to the fundamentals, and start from there again, which is what I'm doing right now. When I got the fundamentals covered and fine, I go back to the Odin project and start building my stuff, my own stuff. Well, that's it for today.